Hey guys, welcome to this basic series of Excel. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn about many points in Excel. So let's get started. So this basically are the many points in Excel, and we have multiple tabs over here, and this can increase based on your requirement. Okay, so this is the first tab known as Home tab. Okay, so we have different tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout based on their functionality. So Home tab basically contains the clipboard, font, alignment, number, mostly related to font and its formatting. Then we have this section over here, which we have is known as the ribbon, and we can hide, unhide based on our requirement. Okay, so I will keep it as it is for the time being. The Home tab basically contains fonts wherein we can do bold or italic, turn the font into different formats. Then we have alignment group. So this particular section is grouped into a font group. Then alignment related functionalities are aligned into one group, and so on. Then into insert tab, we have different options to insert table, insert charts, insert spark lines as per our requirement. Okay, so these are again grouped as per the their functionality. If you see on each of the file, if you just take the mouse on that particular icon, we will see the tip, input tip, insert pictures from your computer. So this will also give you an hint that you can use this functionality for XYZ reasons. Then we have page layout. This is mostly related to your printing of the Excel. It will have all the functionalities related to printing of the Excel. We can change the background, then the breakpoints, margin orientation. Then we have formula tab. Within formula tab, we have functions, basic functions like if and, then text, then financial related function, accounting, DB, then auto sum, summation, average. Then for scientific reasons, we have maths and trigonometry functions also. We can also create more functions, create new functions based on our requirement. So these are basically formula related stuff, and you can create new functions also. So data is basically like whatever data you keep within your Excel. You can create this data from different sources. Like you can import this data within your Excel from different sources, from SQL Server or some cubes or from some XML import or any functionality which you are having. Then we have this refresh button, connections. You can create new connections to your Excel. You can take data from Access. Then if you have some data which is coming from a raw file, then you can convert. So there are different functionalities. You can remove the duplicates. Those are some built-in functions. You can group it, ungroup it, subtotal. Then you also have review button. So within review, you can also if your subordinate mails you, you can always review it and insert a new comment and tell him to improve it. You can also protect the sheet. Then we have view button also. So view button will basically define how you want to see your data and how you don't want to see. You also have split and hide and different functions. So if you are having pictures or some other stuffs, then if you see you have one more tab coming out here, then you can change the picture the way it is being shown to you. You have corrections, color, and all the stuffs. So basically all these tabs have different kind of functionalities associated to it, and it works as per the solution. So one more thing, like if you go to this any of these tabs, if you see, if I go to underline, then I have a shortcut key over here, control U. So if you are new to Excel and you want to know what are the shortcut keys, you can always go over that. Just take your mouse onto that shortcut and you can see the function. So there are a lot of functions actually built in within Excel. So all cannot be manage within a particular menu or a frame. So in order to check all the functions, you need to click on this button, so that will launch this format cells. So if you see number, this number, alignment, font, border, styles, protection, all these cells tabs, you can always work from here also. So if you make any changes, you can select, you can use different functions over here which are not available directly over here. For example, stack to superscript, subscript, and you can always see what changes will it make over here. Okay, so if you make any changes and press OK, it will make those changes. You can get out of this cell by clicking this X box or just pressing escape. Apart from this, you also have a file button over here. If you click on file, then you have different options over here. You see what file this is, you can see who has modified, then you have new button, open, and so on. So basically these are the tabs which you will be working on initially. This is the main highlight over here. So this was regarding the menu points over here. Thank you.